Relecura, transforming static taxonomies to dynamic taxonomies. Are you tired of using your taxonomies in Excel? Are you able to map multiple competitor portfolios over a taxonomy? Are you able to generate analytics from taxonomies? Relecura does all these by transforming static taxonomies to dynamic taxonomies. Each node in the dynamic taxonomy is not just a list of documents, but a specification of a category. You can export the statistics into an Excel file for a quick analysis of competitors and trends. You can also map the portfolios of your competitors to see how you fare against them. You can select each category to see the details and visualize the results, or generate advanced comparative analytics for each node, and get an overview of the industry trend line by exporting the results. Dynamic taxonomies are convenient to manage and analyze large portfolios, track technology trends, and gather competitive intelligence. If you are interested in trying out Relecura's taxonomy solution, write to support@relecura.com.